Manufacturing today is not like it was 10 years ago, 20 years ago. Today's manufacturing is clean, high-tech, fun. There's a cool factor involved.
You're actually making something. You're contributing to society. We made this dental implant. We made this component that saves somebody's life or control the amount of emissions that go in the air.
Manufacturing is a good opportunity for anybody that's looking for a good career path. They offer a lot of opportunities that a lot of the other industries don't.
The industries we service are not going to go away.
Well, you get to really work on some really neat stuff and know that you're helping people. We do a lot of medical work, made an artificial heart.
Instruments used in surgery, implants, aerospace components that go up in the space shuttle or on aircraft, automotive components.
Making the stuff that makes computers and the screens and the plasma TVs and the cell phones.
Anything that basically humans touch in their daily life is somehow affected by a manufacturer in this country at one point or another.
There's a lot of job openings, and in all kinds of fields. Engineers, machinists, and CNC machinists.
Right now there's a big demand for people to come in and manufacture parts. There are several different manufacturers who need to have skilled labor.
There aren't enough people going into these fields, so the opportunities for people that do come into the field are vast.
Just the amount of people who are retiring on a daily basis just to replace those numbers is going to be almost insurmountable.
I think 600,000 job openings in this country over the next 10 years in precision manufacturing. We'll be hiring for a long, long time.
I got into manufacturing when I went to Westfield Vocational. I started out in the auto body program, and then I realized there wasn't many jobs out in that field, and the manufacturing program at Westfield Vocational had 100% co-op rate.
There's a program put on by the state, by the employment board, so I signed up for that. Right now I'm just an apprentice, learning the knowledge from some of the folks who work here and have been in the trade for a long time.
I got into manufacturing through Westfield Vocational Technical High School. I was lucky enough to do a co-op program. I mostly work on aerospace parts, some parts for the military.
Maybe there's a manufacturer nearby that you stop by and say, hey, I have some interest in this field. Many times these shop owners will embrace you and bring you through and show what really takes place in their shop.
If you were to go back to school, a lot of companies will help pay for that.
If you're in junior high, you can consider going to a technical high school that will help you get the hands-on knowledge you need.
You're employable right out of high school with a Voc-Tech education, and you can further your degree either at a community college or a four-year college.
The kids that we appeal to are ones that like to take things apart, put things together, and figure out why they work. They see that they're capable of building things from nothing, and that really inspires them to come and pursue a career in manufacturing.
I'd like to be the person who makes the prototypes, who's actually in the shop. I see a career in the R&D field.
I like it because it's challenging. Like, you have to think, like, just to program something, you have to make sure you look at the blueprint right, you have to make sure you have all your numbers right. You have to be really focused and determined.
Most of our students that participate get full-time hire once they graduate.
Every single one of our graduates has a job, and the phone calls have not stopped.
It is not unusual for a student coming out of a four-year technical high school to start making $45,000, $50,000 first year. You take somebody out of a two-year technical college, they could be making $70,000, $75,000 a year.
I think they have to just enjoy mechanical devices, and then that interest helps them develop all the skills that they need. And the skills are very obtainable. The ability to use a computer.
Definitely math.
Attention to detail.
Like to make stuff, to be part of a team.
I really think that somebody that looks at manufacturing for future careers will find that there are all sorts of opportunities there.
I believe that this is the right place to be. Manufacturing is where it's at.